I've been in recreation center for 32 years. We've been doing it ever since I can remember. Easter on the Square is the annual event for our city. We all have a great time doing it.
We start several months out, you know, booking our vendors like our cotton candy guy, things like that. And we start stuffing eggs with candy months in advance. At 10:45, we have our Easter activities, which are Easter arts and crafts. We're making Easter bonnets, we're doing sidewalk chalk, we're making Easter bags, bookmarks, coloring sheets.
Blue. You like that blue? You like this blue?
Oh, we are getting down now, bro. We gotta get a flower now.
And then at 11 a.m. we have our super spectacular egg hunt. We have more than 25,000 eggs out on the lawn here at Courthouse Square to be gathered.